Hello everyone, this is Grandpa and the kids, my grandchildren. We're putting a lamp together. It's called a book lamp. First, we are going to assemble the base and the weight. With the nut. Okay, we're going to put the wire, the electrical wire that goes into the socket, into the base, first through the wire hole.
Through the tube that has a thread on both ends.
Out the top. Okay.
Emma and I drilled the holes in the books. Make sure you use books you don't want to read again.
Now we have to put the books on the tube.
Sometimes it gets stuck on that bead.
Now you can put the books in any position you want. We're going to put it in a spiral position.
Okay, we'll put the cap on next. Gotta have it nice and tight to hold these books down so nothing moves. We use a nut. Gonna push it down all the way to the pipe. There we go. Nice and tight. Good.
Now I'm going to put on the bottom of the harp and the socket base. You'll see why we do this later. It's going to help a lot.
Okay, I'm just going to tighten the screw with this Phillips screwdriver so that the socket doesn't come off. Okay. Okay, we're going to make the proper knot so that the wire doesn't get pulled out after it's all assembled. And of course I gotta remember how to do this. Oh, I got it. See, perfect knot. This is the way UL would do it. Now, even if I pull on the base, this can't come out. Okay, we're stripping the wire so that we can assemble it to the socket. To assemble this wire to this socket, but these wires are not the same. There's a rough wire and a smooth wire. The smooth wire goes to the
Brass screw.
That's the live wire. This is the, see it's rough here, Emma? So that's the neutral. So this is the live wire, that's the smooth wire. It goes to the brass screw. And we assemble it like this, twist it around. Use the Phillips head, get it on tight. The rough wire, the neutral wire goes to this screw. And you do that so that when you shut the lamp off, there's actually no electricity going through it.
If you wire the lamp wrong, you can still shut the lamp off with the switch, but even if it's off, electricity will still be going into the socket. We'll pull the wire down tight. Then I'm going to snap in the cover for the socket. And it does snap in if you do it right. There we go. I tried the on-off switch, it works. Emma, pass me the bulb. This is a 15-watt compact fluorescent. It's the same light as the old 60-watt incandescent.
We can put the harp on. That snaps in also.
Here's the shade we have. It's not exactly the right size, but it's the one we've got.
So we're going to use this. Put the shade on. Put the finial on. And then We plugged the lamp in.
This black switch can turn it on and off.
Our finished lamps of beauty, as you can see, done by Grandpa and the grandkids. I want to thank Emma and Blake, my grandkids, for assisting me. I'm Howard.
And Blake is doing all the videography.
Thanks, guys.